Hey guys, there are a few opportunities in some stocks that have earnings this week that are going to allow us to make some quick profits this week and over the next month. Yeah, maybe a quick 500 bucks. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money on 3 easy option trades this week. Be sure and watch all the way to the end as I'm going to show you why now is the right time to place trades in Oracle, Semtech, and Lennar. Which option trades to place this week in these stocks to make money in the most efficient and safe manner, and finally an extra tip to make even more money on a simple follow-up trade adjustment. Hey guys, Darren here. We've got a great video for you here today. Although before we start, if you appreciate the research and information that goes into making a video like this, all I ask is that you please hit the like or subscribe button. That's it. It helps out the channel tremendously and I really appreciate it, so thank you. Today we're covering some earnings trades this week, and I love trading earnings. I'm going to show you the perfect strategies and trades to make a quick profit. I think it's super important that we understand the strategies that the rich are using to get richer. We want to be able to use those same strategies so that we can profit and make money in any market. I promise we're going to dig into many detailed option trading tips and tricks in this video and future videos. Be sure to download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the 2 main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. Why is now the right time for trades in Oracle, Semtech, and Lennar? Guys, we want to sell options when IVR, which is implied volatility ratings, are high, and when we think a stock is going to trade within a range. Why when IVR is high? Because that is when we can collect more option premium and go wider, selling our short puts and calls so that we can have a larger range for the stock price to move within and still be profitable. Which option trades should we place in Oracle, Semtech, and Lennar this week? Let's take a look at the 1-year charts for these stocks. Oracle is trading at around 127, and we have some support at 120 and resistance at 130. Keep these numbers in mind as our trades will be at or inside these levels. Semtech is trading around $24, and we are looking at the 21 and 28 levels for support and resistance. Finally, Lennar is at 118, and we are looking at the 115 and 127.5 levels. Guys, do yourself a favor and look at the fundamentals for these stocks and come to your own conclusions. I'm not going to go through them all, but I really don't see any major warning signs or flaws with any of them. Here is the Oracle income statement, and you can see steadily increasing revenue and net income year over year in each of these years. You will basically see the same with the others and the balance sheets as well. Oracle is a leader in software as a service and AI. Semtech is a leader in semiconductors for IoT and cloud connectivity, and Lennar is a major home builder. Let's look at which option trades to place this week in these stocks to make money in the most efficient and safe manner. You can do this with any brokerage on any platform. We are going to use the Tastytrade platform. Tastytrade is one of the best brokerages for trading options. It's the one that I've used for several years, and they're the guys that developed the Toss, Think or Swim platform and sold it to TD Ameritrade, which is now Schwab, and the one they still use today. Tastytrade is even better. Right now you can get cash back when you open an account. I'll put a link down below. It costs you absolutely nothing to fund an account and open an account. However, I do recommend that you fund it with at least a couple $1,000s so that you can place a few different trades. So we punch in Oracle in the upper left on the option platform. Make sure you are on the trade tab. We're going to sell the 115, 120 put vertical and the 130, 135 call vertical to make it an iron condor. Guys, if you're unsure about how to sell an iron condor, watch some of the other videos as I go through it in more detail. This one is $5 wide, meaning the protective wings are $5 out from the short strikes. We collect $182, which is more than 1/3 the width of the strikes, which is ideal. Our max loss is 318, and we have a 64% probability of profit. So it's much better than just a 50% coin flip when buying a stock, in the short term that is, which is why we sell options versus buy them. Now we can see the large profit zone in green. As long as the stock price stays within that range by the end of the week on this Friday, September 15th at the close, we keep the entire $182. Also remember our support levels from the chart were at 120 and 130. So we sell within that green profit zone, which is why I like this trade. All right, now let's look at Semtech. I'm going out 39 days to expiration to October on this one and selling the 2227 strangle. I'm going out to October since we can collect more in premium, which is $174 in this case, in October, and we can go a little wider with the strikes compared to staying in September. We are also able to be profitable at the support levels of 21 and 28, which are inside our profit zone. We have a 62% probability of profit or pop. The last one that we are looking at this week is Lennar. I'm looking to collect much more than 1/3 the width of the $5 strikes on this iron condor in October. We collect $215 and our max loss is $285. The max loss is calculated by subtracting the amount that we collect, which is $2.15, from the $5 width of the strikes. Of course, there are 100 shares that we control with one option contract, so the $2.15 is really $215, and the $285 is $285. Finally, an extra tip to make even more on a simple follow-up trade adjustment. Hey Darren, are you always right about these trades? Are you sure they're going to be profitable? Not always. Trades do not always go our way. Again, I do like the fact that the strangle and iron condor option trades that we are placing have a greater than 50% chance of being profitable. And the stock prices have been trading within that green profit range for some time, and we are inside recent resistance and support levels. However, sometimes trades just don't stay within the expected moves. Revenue and earnings come out with some unexpected results sometimes, or management's guidance going forward is less than desirable. So if we're a winner, we can close out for the big win right then on the opening and bank our profits. IVR, implied volatility rating, will have collapsed or dropped right after the earnings announcement, so much of the premium will have come in, and we will be able to close and keep much of the option premium collected up front when the trade was placed. If it is still in the middle of our strikes, our short strikes, we can maximize our premium collected if we choose to wait until closer to the final expiration date. If the stock price moves outside of our profit range, there is something else we can do, and I often like to do this. I roll the winning side, or the untested side, of the strangle or iron condor up to collect, or down to collect additional premium when the market opens after earnings comes out. IVR is still in the process of coming down. We can collect additional premium, move up our profit zone, and often the stock price comes back into our profit range. If you'd like to see this, please let me know in the comments below and I can show you in a video. One final important message. You want to put these trades on just prior to the earnings release dates and center the trades if the prices have moved since you have seen this video. So, Oracle reports Monday after the bell. Place that at the end of the day on Monday, just prior to the close. Semtech reports Wednesday the 13th, September 13th, after the bell, so place the trade at the end of the day on Wednesday. And finally, Lennar reports on Thursday the 14th after the bell, so you will want to place that Thursday afternoon just prior to the close. All right, if you're a beginner and this sounded kind of confusing, don't worry. It did for me as well at first. We'll continue to cover different option trading tips and tricks in future videos and learn together. Remember to grab that free options workshop in the link below, as well as like and subscribe. Let me know any comments that you have. Let me know if you're trading these trades, if you're placing these trades, any other trades, any questions that you have, let me know. I appreciate it in the comments, and I will answer every single question and comment. All right. Have a great day. Please share it with a friend, and see you in the next one.